What's up guys, techkidsaa here. Archan will introduce to you the pair of headphones we're going to be reviewing today.
So these in front of me right here are the Bose QuietComfort 35-2, and these are noise cancelling headphones, and it's about 2 years old now, and they cost around $150 on Amazon. The link will be in the description. So these headphones are noise cancelling, and there's some of the cool features on the back here. So it's got premium sound, world-class noise cancellation.
I'm not really sure about that, but okay.
Noise rejecting mic array for clear calls, voice control with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, which is pretty cool. And there's Bose AR enabled, which we don't know what it is, but we'll test it out soon after we unbox this. And there's the Bose Connect app.
And for the battery life, we have around 20 hours per charge and 40 hours wired along with the noise cancelling.
And on the side, we just have some information.
Okay, you guys can see. Show them.
And then this is the back of the box.
Yeah, you know how on the back of Apple boxes there's all that boring information?
Yeah.
And
So,
you guys, if you want to see the Bose logo, there you go.
And it's the QuietComfort 35 number 2. So this is the second addition to the Bose QuietComfort.
Now time for some ASMR.
So we're going to be unboxing these headphones, and here's some ASMR for you.
Oh my gosh, now let's use a knife. Let's use a knife, that's way better.
Here, let's use the knife now.
Drop that. Oh my gosh.
That was so
Oh my gosh.
sorry. Well, this just slides up. This
So that's the side, that's the
it just slides up, and then you are welcomed by the Bose
Right
logo.
here the Bose box with the Bose logo embossed in the box itself.
So wow, this is really cool. So this flap just comes up, this Bose logo, and here you're
Reviewing all the stuff inside.
and you're greeted by the headphones itself. So you can see it just says to download the app, as you can see. So we'll do that right after we unbox this. So let's open
And we
it.
have here the headphones with the bag. And
So the headphones actually look pretty small, but I mean, I guess they'll unfold.
no, they're folded right now.
Yes. So let's open them right now. And wow, these are really nice headphones, as you guys can see. Right here, get rid of this plastic.
Oh, it smells really good too.
Yeah, it smells really good. I don't know if you smell your new electronics, but we do. And wow, this looks very nice. Like, just look at these headphones. So let's try them on. Like, even when they're turned off, it just like feels like noise cancellation. Like,
Oh my gosh.
like, so as users from regular headphones, this just like really makes a difference.
Yeah, I personally,
So,
I
so-
personally have Skullcandy Crusher headphones, which are also a pair of noise.
We also reviewed those on the channels a few months back,
And
and
it's in the description.
there will be a card somewhere up there.
I think
And
it's
so
up
other things you get in the box are this aux cable.
there. That's the one which you plug into the headphones and plug into your laptop.
If
or
you
your
if you
device.
want to use a wired connection, you can use this cable right
Oh, you
here.
plug it into a phone, except that
Yeah,
doesn't
yeah.
exist much anymore.
Yeah, headphone jacks are very common. And this, what is this?
Charging wire, I'm guessing?
Yes, it's
Yeah, that's a
so it
charging
charges
wire.
through micro USB port.
It would have been better if it charged via USB-C. But
I was
this-
thinking it would charge through USB-C, but it does charge through micro USB. Because this is like a 2-year-old headphone. But this is the newest one they have made. It's the QuietComfort 2. The Amazon link will be in the
Wait,
description.
how do you fold this one?
Okay, so let's skip to the review.
Okay, so we're
So we're about to do a screen record. We're gonna show you and walk you through the app. So we just connected the Bose headphones to the iPad.
and see it right now.
So we're going through the setup right now. So
So language, we want English.
US,
Yeah, continue.
continue.
Nickname it.
It
Oh, what do
doesn't
you want to
matter.
nickname it?
It's fine.
It's fine.
So try them on. Let's try them on.
So it's giving us an intro about all the buttons and stuff.
So the buttons are easy to reach with your thumbs. So these are the buttons right here. There's like volume up, volume down, and pause play. So that's cool.
I think it's pause play at least. Almost there. Okay.
So we just, so yeah.
Product
so this is
tour.
this is all the features that it has, but.
Okay,
yeah.
it's preparing the update. So you can ask, there's
Alexa-
actually Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant built into that.
Yes. So I think this is the button to trigger them. I'm assuming.
So if you download the corresponding apps, then you can say like, "Hey Alexa," whatever it is. Or
and I'm
Google.
assuming this is the button to trigger it.
Okay, your control continue.
So let's
Setup.
do.
You want to do a setup?
Sure.
So Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant? I think Google Assistant.
Yeah, we'll do Google. Oh no. So we're not gonna do it right now because we have to.
No, I think we can do it. It's fine.
Okay, yeah. So we're gonna do Google Assistant because we're downloading the app, so we can actually use it. So it'll be cool.
So let it download. Meanwhile, you can maybe tell them about the noise canceling of the headphones and your experience so far.
So far, it feels really good. I just heard something. It feels quiet. Wait, listen to this. So if you guys don't know what it said, which you probably don't, it said please open the Google Assistant on your phone because I pressed the button to trigger it, which was really funny, and then this lady just popped up and she was like, duh. And then you have to So
I have to log into my Google account.
So we have to log into our Google account. So we'll be back later. Some technical difficulties here. The Google Assistant app is not working.
It's just at this page. So.
It's just stuck on the loading screen. So we're gonna skip that for now. Maybe we'll show it on the next actual review. This is just our first impressions.
Okay, so now I'm gonna start my screen recording, and we're gonna go back to the app.
So yeah, let's do the app again. So,
something happened. Okay.
So turn on push notifications, and
maybe later. Maybe later.
So it's doing an update right now. Can I hear anything?
So as you can see, it's preparing the update.
It might take a while, so
hang on there.
We'll see you guys after the update's done.
I'm just gonna show you the app right now while it's recording. So I'm gonna quickly start the screen recording.
Start broadcast. Okay, so we're recording now. Let's go to the Bose app.
Okay, so you guys can see it right now. It's preparing the update.
So let's go through some of the features.
No, we don't want that. Okay,
so
let's go into settings.
Settings.
Okay, so we have a bunch of stuff over here. So we have the name,
the connections. Let's go to noise cancellation. So we have high, low, and off. Wait, let me see high.
No, it is on high right now. Okay, actually, I'm gonna do off and see if you see a difference.
Yeah, I can. I don't hear it. I just hear you guys.
Okay, so say something.
Yeah. So, can you hear me?
Oh my God!
The noise canceling works even when it's off. Now wait. So
no, dude, wear it. It's off right now, and I'm gonna turn it on high.
Oh my God! I can barely even hear myself. Oh my God. Okay, so that was pretty cool.
That's really cool. I wish you guys can actually experience this in real life, but unfortunately, that technology is not here yet.
Standby timer. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
So yeah, that was the only cool thing. So we can actually. The action button is this button right here. So we can program it to do anything. Some of the
noise canceling, you can change the settings between high, low, and off.
So, but we didn't have Google Assistant or Alexa, so we're just gonna keep it on noise canceling.
Exactly. Then prompt language, voice prompt.
Oh, so when you press it, it says in your ears noise cancellation low, off, high, just depending on what the noise cancellation is. Okay.
Connections. Oh yeah, that goes there.
So
let's go through a product tour.
So yeah, we all know this. This it's not anything interesting.
It's okay.
It just goes through.
Can skip songs if you hit that button.
So let's go to YouTube and let's play some music.
Okay, where's YouTube? No, you don't have the YouTube app. So. What is this? Okay.
So let's go to YouTube and then play some copyright-free music. Not that we're gonna get copyrighted, but let's just do it in case. Just in case.
Actually, we're gonna cut all this part out because I don't want people looking at all that. Okay.
Copyright safe. Yes. Okay, it's on high right now, the noise cancellation. And if you can place.
You guys can't see it right now, but we're actually listening to something.
So play the video. So let me turn up the volume. And we just tried this off camera. This gets really high. Like, I cannot hear you guys right now.
No, it's actually.
That's loud. That was loud. So. Okay, so this sounds actually pretty good. The sound is actually pretty good. So if you want to try it, the sound is actually really good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I can't hear myself.
Yeah, no, right?
I bet I'm screaming right now.
Noise cancellation with like no music playing is one thing, but this is like another whole thing. Wait, you can guys hear? That's how loud it is. You guys can hear it. So max volume, it literally kills your ears. I'm not joking. We just tried that out. It literally, it's so loud. So, anyways.
So we're gonna give you more information on the full in-depth review. If
so thank you guys for watching our video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing and review, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Peace.